Yes. So if we talk about the force, so you correctly said that it can be the push or a pull. Okay.
Yes.
Force is push or pull. Okay.
Yes.
Vishal, can you see the force? Can you see the force? Or it can only be felt?
It can only be felt.
It can only be felt. Okay, you can't see the
Yes.
force.
Yes.
You can see the objects moving by the application of the force, but you cannot see the whole mechanism, how it is happening. Okay, let's say you have, let's take an example that you have kicked up a ball. Are you able to see the images or should I zoom it up?
Yeah, can you move it up?
Fine. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Hello?
Okay.
Yes. So it can only be felt. So
Yes.
what I was saying is, let's say you have an example, you have kicked up a ball. So is it pushing or a pulling of object?
Pushing.
Sorry.
To kick a ball, right?
Yes. To
Yeah,
kick a
it's a
ball is the pushing.
yes.
Okay. So what's happening? Are you able to see the direction of the object? Yes or no? Whenever you have kicked up a ball,
Yes.
is the position changing or not?
Yes, the position changes.
Yes. So now I can write it that force is a push or pull. Okay. And it can only be felt. For example, kicking up a ball, picking up a book, and lifting a box. Okay?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Also, you can observe the effects of the force. Observe the effects of the force. Okay. Ishal, if you can see this image, the second image,
Yes, ma'am.
what are you able to figure out? Where will be the force in maximum amount? Will it be at this side or this side?
It's equal because
Yes.
both the
It
sides
will
there are
be,
two people.
yes, it will be equal at both the sides because here also you have two people and here also you have two people. Let's say if people at this side, this is first side and this is the second side. So let's say people of first side have applied the more force. So what will happen? They would be able to pull
Yes.
these two people. Yes or no?
Yes.
They would be
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to pull these two people with them because they have applied the greater force. Got it?
Yes.
So if I say for the push in the case of force, so it is force to move an object, force to move. Okay, if you will push something, so is the object moving away from you or towards to you?
Moving away from us.
Yes. So push is the activity or the force to move an object
Away from.
away from away from the body. Yes or no?
Yes.
And if I talk about the pull, so this will be what? This will be
Force to move an object toward the body.
when force is applied, the object will move away. Sorry, the object will move closer. The object will move towards the body. Okay, understood the meaning of push and pull? So here,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
in this image, if you can observe, two people are applying the force in the same direction. Let's say right. So it will move right at a faster rate because two
Yes.
people are applying the force onto one person. Okay, the force will be more to the right side. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So forces arise due to the interaction between two objects. Now, what do we mean by this? Here, these people are interacting with each other. That's why the force is being produced. Yes or no?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
because these two people are pushing off this cart. Okay. So there is the interaction between two. That's why the
Yes.
force is generating over here. Similarly, here also, if you can observe in these diagrams, the man is in contact with this car. So there is the contact between two objects, two bodies. That's why the force is created. Let's say this man is pushing this to the left side. Okay, because greater force is applied. Fine. So this is due to the contact between two bodies. Okay, the body of this man and the car. Similarly, here also, if you can observe, these girls are pulling each other. Okay, they are pulling each
Yes.
other, so they are coming in contact, two bodies are coming in contact, that's why the force is being produced. Okay, similarly here also in this case, he is able to apply the force, but the bull is applying the more force, that's why it is not dragging. Okay,
Yes.
yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
It is due to the contact between two bodies. Fine. If I talk about the SI unit of force, do you know SI unit of force?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Newton.
Yes, it is Newton. Fine, is Newton. So whenever you see any force written with the SI unit
And
F,
yes.
so you can easily indicate it to be a force.
And
Okay,
Newton.
got it?
Yes. Yes.
I request you to please write all these points, whatever I have written. Okay, you can give the example also.
Okay.
A
May
man
may I
push.
bring a notebook?
Sorry.
May I bring a notebook?
Yes, you have to write all these things in your rough notebook. You can
Okay.
write an example. A man pushing the car. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can write two people pulling the rope, pulling the rope towards them, towards them. Understood, Ishal? All these points are clear to you or not, dear?
So,
Hello? Hello?
yes, ma'am.
Ishal, please write down all these
Yes, I'm writing.
points.
Felt.
Please write them, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Hello, Ishal, have you written this here?
Yes, ma'am. Just
Hello?
finished.
Okay, are you still
Yes, ma'am.
writing it?
Yeah, I just finished.
Okay. Should I move on to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what do you mean by the net force on the object? Any idea what is net force?
Uh, no.
Net something which is total force. Okay.
Okay.
Total force which is being applied onto the object by the
Uh,
other body. Okay. Let's say this is the object. This box is the object. If you can observe in this first diagram, two people are pushing this object into the left direction. Okay.
yes.
That
Yes.
means the net force which is being applied by the two people in the same direction will be added together. Got it? Let's
Yes.
say one man has applied the force X, Newton. Okay. And the other also has applied the Y Newton force. Okay. So since they are moving in the same direction, if they are moving in the same direction, that means the force will get added. That means X plus Y Newton will be the net force. If I explain you in terms of
Oh,
number, let's say X is the value, let's say 60 Newton. Okay.
yes.
And Y is the value 30 Newton. Got it? So 60 plus 30 is how much? In total, 90 Newton has been applied. 90 Newton force has been applied onto this box within the same direction. Got it?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what if the forces are applied in the opposite direction? So, will they be added or will they be subtracted?
Subtracted.
Yeah, they will be subtracted. Let's say
Yes.
one person has applied X force and Y has applied the another force. Let's say X is again taking it as 60 Newton and Y as 30 Newton. So what will happen? The
Uh,
forces will get subtracted. Got it?
yes.
60
Yes, ma'am.
minus 30 is 30 Newton. Okay. So one has applied more force than the other. So what you can infer from this, Ishal? Where will the box move first?
The box will move first to the left because
To the left.
X power is more.
Yes, very good. It will move to the left because the magnitude of force is more. Okay.
Yes.
Magnitude of force is more. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So are you clear with the concept that whenever the forces will act in the same direction, they will be added, and whenever they will move into the opposite direction, there will be the difference between the two forces. Okay. Now, what this was the first case. This is the second case. This was the case of same direction. Okay. Same direction. This is the case of opposite direction. Opposite direction. Okay. Got it? This is the case of. Now, there is another case where the forces are same. Forces applied are same, but in the case of opposite direction. But in opposite direction. Got it? Now, what will happen, Ishal, if same forces are applied in the same direction? What will happen? Hello? Your mic is off here.
The object won't move.
No, I'm asking with respect to the same direction. See,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the box. One has applied the force from here and one has applied the force from here. Okay, this is the opposite direction, but the force is same. Here also it is x Newton. Here also it is x Newton. So what will happen? The net force will be 0 because same force has
Yes.
been applied. Yes or no?
Yes,
X
ma'am.
minus x will be 0 Newton. Okay. So what will happen? Box will not move. Box will not move. Got it? But what if
Yes, ma'am.
I take the case that forces applied are same? Forces, this, let's say take it as another case. Forces applied are same,
Yes, ma'am.
but in same direction. But in same direction. Okay. Let's say this is the box. Okay.
Yes.
And two people are standing here only and they are applying the force in the same direction. And both the forces are, let's say, 20 Newton and 20 Newton. So what will happen? They will be added or they will get subtracted.
And
See, in the first case, we have discussed that whenever there is same direction, forces will get added. Whenever
yes,
they
ma'am.
will be in opposite direction, forces will get subtracted. Here, the
Yes.
forces are same, but they are opposite. That means they are subtracting. The magnitude is same,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
they are subtracting to get out 0 Newton force, and the box will not move. What
Yes.
if the forces applied are in the same direction only, and the magnitude is also same? So what will happen? Net force will be, it will be added or subtracted.
It will be added.
Yes, it will be added because it is moving in the same
Yes,
direction.
ma'am.
Always remember, whenever forces are applied in the same direction, in every case, it will be added. Even if the
Okay.
magnitude is different, even if the magnitude is same. Okay?
Okay.
What
Yes, ma'am.
if the force is acting in opposite direction? If
It
it
will be
will be,
subtracted.
yeah, it will be subtracted. What will happen if the magnitude is same? It will come out to be 0 and the box will not
Yes.
move. And what if the magnitude is different? So the box will move or the object will move in the direction where the greater force is applied.
Yes.
Here also it is subtracting, but the forces, wherever the force is more, it will move to
Greater,
that
it
side.
will move this. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So it will be 40 Newton and it will move to the right side. Okay. Move right side. All the cases are clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I want you to please write all these things with the example as I have written.
Okay.
Ishal, is it done?
No, ma'am.
Please write it fast there. Then
Yes,
we move on to the impacts of force.
yes.
Ishal, is it done, dear?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing the last one.
Please wind up quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
You are on which point?
Fourth one. Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Hello? Yes. So, coming on to the effects of forces. Now, what do you mean by effects of forces?
Like, when force like it makes things move or like it changes the direction of uh, an object.
Yes. So, effects of forces meaning, let's say you have provided an external jerk or external force to any of the object. So, what are
Yes.
the changes? How it is impacting that object? We are going to deal with this. Okay.
Yes,
Onto
ma'am.
the effects of forces. Okay. So, first change. Move a stationary object. What do you mean by stationary? Which is already stopped.
Which is in
Okay,
rest.
stopped
Yes.
object. So if what could be the example? Let's say this example. The person is playing the hockey. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
they are moving the ball with this hockey stick. Okay.
Yes.
Let's say initially it was at stationary. It was put at some area and
Yes.
was not moving. So they have applied the external force this with this hockey stick to move it. Okay, so
Yes.
one such example of moving a stationary object is this. Okay, can
Yes.
stop a moving object. If I give you an example of the cricketer, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
cricket sports, what happens in that? The ball is already moving. The bat
Yes.
has hit the ball. Okay, the ball has
Yes.
moved. So now how you can stop its movement? By catching it. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
If you can observe in this diagram, the person is catching up the ball. So that was the moving object and it came still. So it has stopped that moving object. Clear to you?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Can speed up, decrease the speed and change the direction of the moving object. So can you give me an example for speeding up?
Kicking a ball.
Kicking a ball, okay? So you have kicked a ball with a high velocity, with a high speed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is moving with more
Yes.
speed. Okay, decrease. How can you decrease the speed?
By catching the ball,
Yes, by catching the ball, or
saving.
you can
Yes.
give the example of a car also. Yes, a car that was stationary at a point. So let's take the example of car over here. You would be able to relate all the three aspects. Okay, so the car was still, the car was stopped. Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
the person has moved the car with the speed. Okay, so that is the speeding up. Now let's say after moving there is a breaker in between. Yes or no? So the
Yes, ma'am.
the driver has decreased the speed of the car. Okay, to move upon that breaker. Fine. Now, how the direction has been changed? Let's say the car was at this position. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
it after moving, it has gone to some another position by changing the direction. Okay, or initially it was moving straight, then it moved to the right or left. Okay, so this is how the car is changing the position.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, can my mother is calling me.
You want to write it?
No, my mother is calling me. Can I go? 1 minute.
Your mother is calling. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Ishan, I am just winding up this topic only.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to take the screenshot of this so that you can write it in your notebook. Just only the force can change the state of motion of an object. Only these points.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
take the screenshot of this and please write it in your notebook after this class. Okay, in the next
Okay.
class, we'll start with the force can change the shape of the object. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am. I
Now
took the
you can
screen.
leave the class.
Okay.
And please read all these topics from your textbook also and come with your
Okay, ma'am.
doubts. Whatever
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have done today, please read it from the textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and come with the doubts in the next class. Now you